Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious butter toast. First, choose your favorite bread, whether it's a classic white, a hearty whole wheat, or a rich brioche. Carefully place 1 or 2 slices into your toaster or under a broiler. Toast the bread until it reaches a beautiful golden brown, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes, depending on your appliance and desired crispness. Keep a close eye on it to prevent burning. Next, let's prepare the butter. For the best results, I recommend using unsalted butter, as it gives you more control over the final taste. It's ideal to let your butter soften at room temperature for about 15 minutes before spreading. If you're short on time, you can gently microwave it for about 10 seconds on a low power setting. This makes it much easier to spread evenly. Once your toast is perfectly golden and warm, carefully remove it from the toaster or broiler. Now, it's time for the star ingredient, the butter. Take your softened butter and apply a generous, even layer across the entire surface of the toast. The warmth of the toast will help the butter melt slightly, ensuring a smooth and delicious spread. Work quickly to get that perfect melt. For an extra touch, you might consider adding a tiny sprinkle of sea salt to your buttered toast. It really enhances the flavor. If you prefer a sweeter treat, this is the perfect base for jam, honey, or even a dash of cinnamon sugar. Serve your butter toast immediately to enjoy it at its peak warmth and crispness. It's a simple pleasure, but truly satisfying.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.